Hi, we're Sophie and Sarul. We're two students taking Professor Lori Loeb's class, Intro to UI/UX Design. For our final class project, we were given 2 weeks to design a digital product to address a specific need. Out of the 4 options we were given, we chose the following: community building, overcoming isolation in a hyper-connected world. We started this process by conducting user interviews with college students to try and understand what creates meaningful interactions between friends. We wanted to uncover the obstacles preventing more of these meaningful interactions from occurring, whether they were caused by the COVID-19 pandemic or otherwise. From our user interviews, we identified 3 main pain points. 1. Social distancing makes it difficult to have shared experiences. Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, friend groups can no longer hang out together in person, greatly limiting the types of activities they can do together. 2. Reaching out to people can feel inauthentic. Our users described how the classic "let's get a meal" suggestion often feels more like a hallway greeting than a call to action. 3. Scheduling times to meet with others is difficult. People are busy, and it's even more so apparent when trying to schedule events with large groups of people. As a result, if no one takes the role of the organizer, the event rarely ends up happening. From these 3 main pain points, we settled on our how might we. How might we make it easier for users to create shared experiences with others? We did some initial brainstorming to decide on the features we wanted to include in our final solution. We were especially influenced by one interview conversation in which a student mentioned gaming as one of his favorite ways to keep in touch with friends. He explained, "When I'm gaming with my friends over Zoom, I don't feel like we're video calling just to catch up. It feels like we're making new memories together." Inspired by this anecdote, we decided on a few main features that we wanted to include in our final solution. First, we wanted to help users schedule events based on their calendar availability, rather than having users schedule these events themselves. Second, we wanted to create a repertoire of activities that could be done between friends, either virtually or in person. And lastly, we wanted to help individuals find others with similar interests so that they can do activities with other people.
We present You Connect. It's a mobile app that aims to provide opportunities for users to have more authentic interactions and create meaningful memories with friends. Through Connect, we wanted to create a convenient, simple, and delightful way to schedule and plan activities with your friends. So let's get started. Our main navigation page is a homepage that shows the upcoming events planned through Connect, and as well as the channels the user created with their friends. You can create a new channel by clicking on this icon. After adding people in the channel, you'll have to give it a name, and then you will be directed to your channel page. So as you have just created the channel, there are no activities on board. We wanted this page to be where you can communicate with your friends and as well as schedule, propose, and track future events. To propose or create an event, you have to press on the calendar icon and then it will direct you to a planner page. To make scheduling as hassle-free as possible, our app finds and suggests possible times for friends to hang out based on their Google Calendar inputs. Users can also see those who can meet during that time and what they're interested in, which helps the event creator to engage with more people. When you choose your preferred time, the card will be activated and then turn into yellow, and then you will be able to move on to the next step. As users have expressed that frequent digital interactions with friends get boring and inauthentic, we wanted to provide ideas for group activities that encourage genuine interactions. Each idea for an event is presented as a theme. By clicking on the theme card, users will see a more detailed description of the theme and activity related to that theme. Users can also create their own events without being limited by the themes. So let's say I want to have a cooking night with my friends, and all I need to do is press on the Propose Event button and then it will be sent to the channel page. So the cooking night I proposed to the channel is here, and everyone else will be able to explore it by tapping on the View Details button. If you decide to participate in an event, you can either press on this toggle button here or choose Accept here. Once a user accepts an event offer, the event card in the upcoming event section will be colored. So let's go back to our homepage. The upcoming event section here will show all your scheduled events from every channel. The event cards include a description, a list of attendees, and the button to join a video call if the event is to be done in a virtual setting. The video calls will be automatically created by the app, saving time and effort for the event creator. The video call function includes features such as live chat and activity guide. Users will need to swipe up to see the detailed instructions for the activity. Each step for the activity is followed by a tappable checkmark that turns into yellow when it's completed. Users can return it to their homepage by either pausing or leaving the call.
We would like to give a special thanks to Professor Lori Loeb, Assistant Instructor Natalie Svoboda, and our design mentor Paul Gates for their guidance throughout this entire process. We hope that with our app Connect, we will remove the burden of scheduling activities with friends and create more opportunities to create shared experiences with others. Ready to connect?